What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I'm just here in my office having an amazing day. We're about to go get some lunch, but I want to show you, right, what is possible when you make a decision. Today is Friday, okay? Today is Friday, and I've been able to make over $500 already. It's not even lunch yet, right? And the beautiful thing about being part of an online business opportunity is that you can start making money online. You can position yourself starting today, right, to start generating an extra income working from home. And so what are we doing here? How are we getting paid is a very simple, right, very simple newbie friendly system. What we're doing here, we're copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, right, such as Facebook, Instagram, on Snapchat, on Craigslist, on YouTube. When somebody responds to these ads, they purchase a product, you get paid 100% commission. Now, what is the product, right? What is this direct sales business about? The product that you're going to get access to is going to show you how you can start this online business opportunity, how you can brand yourself, how you can use social media to close multiple sales, how to get in front of people that are actually interested in what you have to offer. That's what the product is. It's a digital marketing training course that you're going to get access to that's going to show you exactly what I'm doing, right, to create this type of results, okay, in a single week. And so that's where you're gonna get access to. You have all these testimonials, right? I can show you testimonials for the entire day, but I'm only gonna show you a few. And so I'm super excited. People's lives are changing on a daily basis. I get all these testimonials all the time. Just saying, hey, thank you, Adriana. Hey, thank you. Now, I cannot guarantee your results because I don't know what type of person you are. There's people that come into the industry, they get the training, they don't do anything with it. Therefore, they don't create any results. There's people now that are serious about creating success in their lives, that are serious about generating results, and these people are coming in and they're making an extra $500 a week. They're making an extra $3,000 a month. So at the end of the day, the question is, how bad do you want it? How serious are you about creating success? And are you willing to follow this simple step-by-step training, right, to start changing your financial situation? So if you want to change your life, if you're ready to learn how you can start making money online, how you can use your smartphone, right, and start generating an extra income working from home, I'm going to invite you to go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started with my team today. Make sure to message me on Facebook, right? Message me on Facebook. Let me know that you have that you got started, so I can go ahead and get you plugged in to my 5K per month blueprint, right? This is really a one-time investment, okay? This is a business opportunity that can potentially change your life. When I got started, right, I did the same thing you were doing, where I was on YouTube searching for different ways on how to make money online. I was on Google, how can I make a legit amount of income online? And I came across this amazing opportunity. And I was thinking, what if this doesn't work? Okay? You might be thinking the same thing. What if this doesn't work? What if, you get so many people that say, what if this is a scam? You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, when you're trying to achieve something great, you have to risk it, right? When you're trying to achieve something great, if you're going to be average or if you're going to be mediocre, then yeah, those people don't take action. But if you want to do something great, there's things in life that you just got to risk, okay? And so once you risk it, you find out it's real. You find out that the opportunities are endless, right? And you're going to be so glad that you took action, because that's the same thing happened to me. I was so glad I took action. Now I was able to fire my 2 bosses. I used to work 70 plus hours a week, so I got rid of those, and now I'm working from anywhere in the world, baby. Take action today. Follow me on Snapchat. I'm a real person. I love to motivate, inspire people. Follow me on Snapchat. Username is Adri_V7, the number 7. Follow me on Snapchat. Go take action at www.richmindsets.com. Get all the details. If you think this is a great fit for you, get started with me today. Other than that, I will see you at the top. Okay, great. So now I'm here in my back office. I'm going to show you here, just on my phone, what is possible when you make a decision, right? I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that I focus and show you what is possible. So I'm going to go ahead and click here where it says it's loading. Okay, and this is my merchant account. So today, Friday the 13th, right? You can see right there, I've been able to generate over $800, $815 on complete autopilot using this simple step-by-step system, right, that even a complete newbie can get a hold of the training and start generating results. Okay, so if you want to learn the same strategies that I'm using that have helped me make $850 today while I've been out and about, right, I'm going to invite you to go to visit my website at www.richmindsets.com. And then I want you to remember, right, number one requirement is you must have a PayPal account. The second requirement, you must have a laptop or a smartphone, right? Number three, you must have Wi-Fi or internet connection. If you have these three things, you qualify to join the team. So go ahead and get started with my team today. Again, anybody can do this, right? If a college dropout can do it, you can do it as well. You can see right there that's loading. Take action today. Other than that, I will see you at the top.